Royal Enfield introduces the Flying Flea electric motorcycle brand. In a bold move towards the future, Royal Enfield, a brand known for its rich history in motorcycle manufacturing, has launched its latest venture into the electric motorcycle market with the Flying Flea. The brand, which has been a symbol of rugged motorcycles for decades, is now ready to make its mark in the world of electric mobility. With the launch of the Flying Flea, Royal Enfield is combining the best of its traditional design with innovative electric technology, aiming to deliver a new era of sustainable riding experiences. 1. A new era of electric motorcycles. The Flying Flea brand marks Royal Enfield's first official foray into the electric motorcycle segment. Inspired by its own rich legacy of military motorcycles, the Flying Flea draws from the iconic Royal Enfield Flying Flea of the 1940s, which was known for its lightness and agility during World War II. However, this new version is far from a historical throwback. It's designed to embrace the electric revolution while staying true to the company's classic roots. 2. The vision behind Flying Flea. Royal Enfield's Flying Flea electric motorcycle is not just about modernizing its lineup, it's about redefining what the future of motorcycling could look like. By combining classic styling with cutting-edge electric technology, the brand aims to cater to urban commuters and eco-conscious riders who still value the feel of a traditional motorcycle. The vision is clear: Royal Enfield wants to create a sustainable yet performance-driven electric motorcycle that maintains the iconic craftsmanship and ruggedness that enthusiasts expect from the brand. 3. Design and aesthetics. The Flying Flea Electric maintains the timeless aesthetic that Royal Enfield is known for. Sporting retro-inspired bodywork with sleek, modern accents, the design honors the vintage motorcycles while integrating futuristic touches. The clean lines, minimalist approach, and attention to detail give the electric version the same visual appeal that has made Royal Enfield famous worldwide. 4. Performance and range. While specific technical details are still under wraps, the Flying Flea Electric promises to offer impressive electric performance. With an electric motor designed to produce smooth and powerful torque, it aims to provide a balanced experience for both city commuting and weekend rides. It's expected to have a range of over 100 miles on a full charge, making it practical for everyday use without the need for frequent recharges. 5. Smart technology integration. As with other electric motorcycles, the Flying Flea will be equipped with advanced tech features. This includes smart connectivity, enabling riders to access features like battery status, GPS navigation, and ride modes through an intuitive mobile app. Additionally, the bike will offer regenerative braking to optimize energy efficiency. 6. Target audience. The Flying Flea Electric is aimed at urban commuters and younger riders who are increasingly looking for eco-friendly transportation options. It's perfect for those who seek an efficient, stylish, and sustainable mode of transport without compromising on the joy of riding. 7. Charging and infrastructure. To enhance the convenience for riders, Royal Enfield is also working on expanding the charging infrastructure for its electric models. With quick charging capabilities, riders can expect minimal downtime, adding to the practicality of the bike for daily use. 8. Availability and pricing. The Flying Flea Electric is expected to be available in select markets starting in late 2025, with a projected price range of around $9,500 to $11,000. This places it in direct competition with other popular electric motorcycles in the same category, such as the Harley-Davidson Livewire and Zero motorcycles offerings. 9. Future outlook. With the Flying Flea, Royal Enfield is not just entering the electric motorcycle market, it's laying the foundation for a long-term commitment to electric mobility. The success of this model could pave the way for more electric variants of Royal Enfield's traditional motorcycles, eventually expanding the brand's offerings to an entirely new generation of riders. Conclusion. The 2025 Flying Flea electric motorcycle marks a pivotal moment for Royal Enfield as the iconic brand embraces the future of motorcycling. Combining the best of classic design, sustainable technology, and modern innovation, the Flying Flea is set to reshape how riders experience Royal Enfield motorcycles in the electric era. It's an exciting step forward for the brand, blending tradition with the new wave of electric mobility.